Winter is a time of cold and darkness, a time to focus on surviving the storms that life throws at us. Now we can huddle in our blankets, wishing the days away, or we can gather with those closest to us and warm our hearts with cherished memories. During this recent ice storm, we embraced the local tradition of breaking open a few bags of storm chips and having a night of movie watching and family cuddles while Jack Frost had his fun. When we awoke the next morning, we found a beautiful paradise. We found crystal trees and chirping birds and blue skies. Like life, when we weather a storm, we often are left with something very, very beautiful. It might not be easy. It might not make things easier, but it certainly is beautiful. So when life gives you a storm, break out a bag of storm chips, cuddle with your family, and create memories that will last. Memories that will last a lifetime. Memories that remind us that we are loved and we have loved. And life's storms won't be so bad after all.
So what do you got there?
Well, I got a heat gun, I got a screwdriver, I got 2 hammers, and a chisel, and a crowbar. Why do you ask me what it's for, man?
What's it for?
For cleaning off our deck.
Because
everything is covered in ice.
completely solid ice. Looks like beautiful snow out here. Look at that, like on our porch, it just looks, covered in snow. Not a problem. Nope, it's ice. That is like 2 to 3 inches of ice. Yeah, good thing we have like remote starters for our car to warm it up so that we can get in, because right now we cannot get in. Oh my gosh. This is kind of scary walking on ice. Look at this. Can you see the ice on here? Holy cow. All right.
So, here's the car. It's all covered in ice. I did get it started with the remote starter. And I've tried to get this door open, but I didn't have a lot of luck. As you can see here. Yeah. Still not opening. Said still not opening. We got the defrost going. You probably can't tell. There's a windshield wiper, also known as the icicle. Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, ice storms are annoying.
I am not used to ice storms like this.
No.
Like in Ontario, I don't remember having anything quite like this, so Nova Scotia is definitely a little bit different that way. Oh, I don't know. Maybe Ontario had it too, and I just said I don't know.
I don't remember any.
This is this is very interesting.
Yeah, I know
I
Quebec
just had a
has some.
shower, and now my hair is frozen solid. It is totally frozen. Crunch. Oh God. So this is what we gotta do to get rid of the ice. What would you have done? What would you do if you're trying to get rid of 2 to 3 inches of ice? Like our entire yard. Oh my gosh. Like all of this snow and everything, all of that's just ice. It's basically like we could probably just go skating on this thing, except for the, hills that might be hard. At least it's a beautiful day. Look at that. Look at our tree. Holy heck, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is so beautiful. All the icicles. It's like right here. Go ahead.